This is a brief course overview of the Cybersecurity 101 Mastering SED, AWK, and GREP as brought to you by IT Path. This course is absolutely free. It is a text-based course, but it includes all of the resources required for you to successfully master SED, AWK, and GREP as it applies to cybersecurity. In the resource section, you will find sample files that will be used throughout the course. You can always go back to resources and get these files at any time during the course. In Module 1, you will have an introduction to SED, AWK, and GREP. 2, start to grasp the basic concepts and syntax used by these commands. You will start in Module 3 to get into some advanced SED techniques. In Module 4, some advanced AWK techniques. In Module 5, advanced GREP techniques. In Module 6, we will dive into how you use these applications in cybersecurity. How do you practically apply what you've learned with SED, AWK, and GREP? That is log analysis, data sanitization, network security and analysis, and looking for indicators of compromise. Those are IOCs, often used in the cybersecurity. That's a term used in the cybersecurity field. Module 7 will include how to integrate these tools with other tools that you might already be using or need to learn about. Each module has everything you need for that module. You will see sample exercises. You will find it neatly formatted to make finding information and commands, practice commands, much easier. You can even copy many of these commands and paste them right into your own command line terminal. If you are unsure how to even get started with SED, AWK, and GREP, that's okay. You're in the right place. Installation and setup is included. Whether you are on a Linux machine, Mac OS, or Windows, you should have no problem following these instructions to get SED, AWK, and GREP properly installed so that you can start taking advantage of these 3 critical tools used in cybersecurity. This course is absolutely free. You can click the link below in the description and sign up and start chewing away on SED, AWK, and GREP and advancing your IT cybersecurity career. Have a great day.